Hey YouTube, what's going on? My name is Dave and I am going to show you how to clean your PlayStation 3 the right way. Now, there's a lot of videos on YouTube, but I'm going to show you how to do it the right way, which says even in the manual. So, you'll need a couple items. You'll need a vacuum. Regular old, any kind of vacuum will work fine for it. And you will need some Windex. Just some regular Windex original. So that's to get the shine back. So now I've seen some videos, there's people use different things, but I highly recommend not to use anything. Only use Windex. So that's what's been recommended for the PS3. Now, all right. First thing you want to do is take out your game, unplug all the cords, and put it on a nice table if you can, so you can get out of the nice and open. And first thing you do is clean all the dust off it, because they go get pretty dusty. And you want to vacuum everything, and vacuum side, top, and your tray, everything you see, every vent, everywhere on the PS3, and then you put the Windex on. So alright, I'm going to show you how to vacuum your PlayStation 3 real quick. So, like so. But here's my vacuum I have. Turn it to the side, like so. That's how I vacuum the PS3. Now you notice I use the finger technique. I put a finger between there so you will not get scratched. Alright, and this is pretty easy to scratch if you're not careful, like so. And alright, I put it on the bottom or top like that. Now, I take my Windex and you want to spray away from the PlayStation 3, so you not get any overspray on anything, like so. So, only a couple sprays, get a little damp. So you don't want it dripping wet, or else you ruin, get everything wet, like so. But alright. Now I have to go over it pretty good. So like so. might get any on sides. Put a little bit extra on there. Gotta rub it in. Alright. That's good. Yeah. And alright. And get it pretty good. Alright. That's that. Alright. And that is how I clean my ps3. Now, I think that looks pretty clean. So, and it kind of, don't be scared if you still see some, it dries up. So that's alright. And that is how I clean my ps3. Now it's all nice, looks like brand new. So, and that is the right way to clean it. Alright, and now I hope you had a lot of that helped you a lot on how to clean your PlayStation 3. So any questions, just leave a remark or below. So alright, thank you for watching and see you later.